Hey guys, Nikki here, and I am back, back with yet another hygiene video. And before y'all start, I'm gonna talk about it as long as y'all keep requesting it, because I know there are gonna be the people, why do you keep talking about vaginas? Hey, the people are asking, and so I'm just fulfilling the request. So guys, my very first video hit over 1 million views. She went viral. She's a teacher now. And then I did another one featuring products from the Dollar Tree, and that's over 100,000. So obviously it's some people that want to know this stuff. And for all the comments, who don't know how to wash, all it takes is soap and water, well, over 1 million people want to know, okay? So that is what this video is going to be about, in celebration of me hitting 1 million on that one video. I decided to drop some more gems and show you guys some more items and answer the top 10 mean, repetitive, or over the top comments. All right, we're gonna hop straight into it because this video, you know, is gonna be long. I always say, so this video won't be long, and boom, 30 minutes later. Listen, the #1 comment that just blew my wig off, honey. It blew it off and I came back cotton candy. Was the one you guys were saying, boric acid. And I'm like, skirt, skirt. Listen, Platinum is from the hood, the ghetto. So when I hear boric acid, I was like, girl, that's what we use to kill roaches. I know. I'm just being honest. And obviously it wasn't just me, because a lot of you guys thought that too. So it's over 10,000, I think, comments under that video. Might not be that many, but the last time I checked, it was roughly 6,000. And that was a minute ago when I checked. And that comment got a lot of likes. So inquisitive minds want to know. So I'm like, I think I'm gonna try that. So the weird thing about it is I got so many people reaching out to me from that video, and a lot of people I was like, just dodging offers left and right, because that video was very organic for me. Nothing in there was sponsored. That's the products I use for different reasons. And so I didn't want a company to just hit me up and say, hey, can you show my products? And I'm just like, no, I know what I know, and I know what I know. But this one had me interested because you guys kept mentioning it. So when this company reached out to me, I was like, come here. So this is it right here. It is Boric Life. These things are life. No, for real. I'm dead serious. I put this on everything. The way y'all are selling those Johnny bars out, y'all need to be selling this stuff out. But let me tell you a little bit about it. So this is the card right here. It's made NutriBlast right here. And thanks to this company so much for being patient with me, because I didn't want to just bring you guys anything, so I had to test it. We'll get into that in a minute. But let me just show you what came in the package. So we're going to start from the beginning. They sent over these strips right here, which are, first of all, let me put them up right. They are feminine hygiene strips, basically. So what you do is you use them to test your pH balance. There's enough strips on this roll to do this test 100 times. So I was like, first of all, let me see what my range is, and if it's going to change after I take or use the suppositories, basically. So there's a color chart on here that tell you what each range mean. And I don't want to put my personal business out here, but believe me and trust me when I say this stuff is accurate. This is, guys, I'm like floored with this product. So I'm so thankful that you guys mentioned it, because it made me curious and it made me tell this company, you know, send it on. So here are the actual tablets right here. And what you do is you take them you use them for up to 7 days. They're all natural, so they won me over with that. And guess what? If they don't work, they'll give your money back. So what are you risking at this point? But anyway, it supports vaginal health, supports your pH balance. So they're just little tablets. I don't want to touch them because I'm not for sure if my hands are clean right now. But you know, you don't want to just take them and shoot. So they sent over suppository applicators for you to use. And you do them every night before you go to bed. You just wash your hands, lay down, and insert one up you. So it's that simple. Now let me tell you my little story. If you guys follow me, you know I went on this crawfish craze. When it was in season, and even now that it's not, I still eat it frozen. I was eating that stuff almost every day, and when I tell you, it really threw me off. So I was like, this is like perfect, because I was telling the company I'm not experiencing any of these problems. So basically what it's for is odor, wetness, itching, yeast, and bacterial vaginosis, okay? So I'm like, I'm not experiencing any of that, so I'm gonna test it, and it's just like 2-3 days later, I'm like, something ain't right. Girl, you're smelling like the crawfish. So I was like, this is the perfect time for me to test them. And when oh my gosh, when I say it wasn't even 24 hours and it just, that odor just was gone, like out of there, like no, I'm dead serious, it was gone. So I was like, oh my gosh. But they say continue to using it for 7 days. Now this is what I love about it. A lot of you guys from that video say you get reoccurring bacteria and yeast infections for whatever reason. That is what this is for. Like, you use this to keep your pH balance leveled. That is exactly what this is for. And you guys said this is the only thing that works, and I see why now, because it literally took all of whatever was going on with me away, and the next morning when I woke up, I already felt fresh and rejuvenated. Okay, the only downfall about this product is I feel like it will stop some people from going to the doctor. And before I start this, of course I'm not a doctor, I'm just giving my opinion on products and what works for me, because y'all ain't finna sue me talking about some Nikki said, okay? Nikki ain't said nothing. I mean, I did, but you at your own risk. Yeah, the only thing I feel like it will stop you, like if you have an odor or itch or burn or something, you're gonna just try this. And if you're sexually active and you're having sex unprotected, you need to go to the doctor, make sure nothing else is going on. This is more specifically for people who always have recurring bacteria infections and stuff, and just need something quick and don't have to spend that money at the doctor. And so you won't have to spend that money running to the doctor every time you need something. So there are 30 tablets in here, so you can use these for a minute, because you only use 7 at a time. And let me go into a little bit more detail about them. I already told, they work. And then I was skeptical, of course, so I went and read the Amazon reviews, and everybody's like, this changed my life, this is the only thing that works, I love this product. I mean, lots of reviews. So I'm like, oh, okay, I'm doing this. Alright, so are y'all ready for this? There will be a link right up under this video that will take you straight to these boric acid suppositories, and you will get 20% off. They're already inexpensive. They work like ASAP, and they are just good to keep in your cabinet. Like, you need them, like, after y'all need them. I'm for real, they work. I can't stress this. I get so surprised when stuff actually work. I can't even lie, because people will put anything on the market nowadays, but the fact that they actually work, these were like a lifesaver. Like, they saved me money at the doctor and everything. But anyway, the link below will get you 20% off. Okay, so guys, yeah, these are a lifesaver. I'm just so excited about these. Because this is gonna help so many of you guys out. You guys are asking me, well, I'm trying to do this and I'm trying to get this, and every time I have sex in it, y'all, this balances you out so well, and you just be right. Girl, that thing be right. So don't forget to click. I'm just so excited I can't talk. Don't forget to click the link in the bio. Get you 20% off, get you fresh and right. And let's move into the other comments from the video. So another comment, I don't have my phone, so I don't think I'm being rude. I have the comments here. It takes all that to get clean. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I know I showed you guys a lot of products in that video. I explained this in my Dollar Tree video, so I'm not gonna even go into that. I'm just gonna put that clip right here. A lot of you guys are saying you use all of that has to get expensive. That's so much. And what I think a lot of you guys don't realize is that I don't use all of that at one time. I'm not just in the shower, in the tub, making a big concoction. That's just what works for me for special are different situations. Some stuff when I'm getting off my cycle, some stuff when I'm preparing to, you know what, some stuff when I'm prepared for grown and sexy time, some stuff when I know I'm gonna be working and pumping hard all day. So yeah, I mix and match. So let's move into the other comments. Only fat girls stink. Lose weight. It's because you have this. It's a lot to keep clean. I only smell big girls, y'all. I hate to say it, but I'm gonna keep this really cute. It doesn't have anything to do with your weight. I've been around some 110-pound girls that can light up a fucking room, that can make your eyes water, that can make your nose turn up. It does not have anything. Actually, as I think about it, because I used to work with a whole bunch of plus size models and stuff when I worked for this one company, I never smelled any of them. Like, and the only time I've ever like smelled something so bad to where it made me nauseous was a thin woman. So you can't just say it's only big women that stink. No, like I know some little bitty girls that be cutting up to, like cutting the hell up. All right, so stop that. Stop. So that will bring me into the next one. It's a black girl thing. Did y'all really go there? Like, I just... Like, whoever said that, did you really go there? Do I even have to address that? You really think only black women have an odor? I don't even have to go there, do I? Here's another comment. You trying to teach people how to be clean. How you gonna teach people how to be fresh with those long nails? I know they're dirty. I know they're... Flips her. We'll talk about this in a minute. Flips hair. I've seen people with these little bitty short nail biter nails that's just caked with black dirt and stuff. Okay? I've seen people with middle-sized nails that's caked. It doesn't matter that. What does the length of my nails have to do with my cleanliness? If you wash your, and I wash my hands a lot because I'm a makeup artist. Let's start there. A lot. If your hands are dirty, they're dirty. Dirt can get trapped under little small nails is more than they can get trapped under here. It's harder to stay here than like get embedded up in there. Yeah, that's like over the top. Do I even have to explain? I understand how you can see that. You see lint, you think just dirt and whatever. But you guys know I'm the hand sanitizer queen, and I wash my hands all the freaking time, especially because I do makeup and deal with people's faces. So I got this, boo-boo. I got this. And if you try me again, I'm gonna have you. No, just playing. This comment right here, I almost started a war on my page. Like, some girl went in and started bringing up stuff I used to do back in the day. She was like, don't forget the platinum with the ladybugs in the bathroom. Like, people be to me, people just be ready to pop off on you and bring up some old shit because they can't fuck with the new you. You get what I'm saying? No, but for real, like, why do people do that? Why? Because we disagreed on this method. You have to be like, well, you need to humble yourself. Remember the ladybugs and remember when you was selling banana powder? Like, I do remember it, and that's what make me lit right now, because the struggle turned me into who I am. Hello? So you sit over there in Bitterland, and let's address this next comment. So they kept saying, you can't pee out your vagina. So I said, after you have sex, get up and urinate the semen out. The vaginal canal and the pee hole are two different holes. That's the dumbest advice, and I'm not gonna go over that again because I explained that in the Dollar Tree video too. Here it is. I have to be extremely careful what I say, because I do want to clear this up. My last video, I said after sex, get up and urinate to pee the semen out, and you guys went freaking crazy. That's two different holes. That's like, god dang, I've been having this big fine body all these years and don't know that's two different holes. Okay, what I meant, when you're having sex, you're usually laying down from the back on the side or something like that. So when you get up and actually sit on a toilet, it allows anything that's left up in the vaginal canal to come down. Here's another conflict. This lady disrespected me to where, like, if we was in the streets, she would have to square up. She would have to snuggle up. talking about I'm a nurse, this is the dumbest ass advice, this is the worst video, this is the boop, boop. Like, for real, bro, you really came at me like that? And then when I respond like that, I'm the problem because I'm the YouTuber. I need to humble myself. But did you really just come at me like that, calling my stuff dumb and all this kind of stuff? So I just politely told her, I really respect the fact that you're a nurse. No, really I don't, because you came at me wrong. But y'all misdiagnose people all day, every day, honey. So don't think because you're a nurse, you went to school this amount of years, you got this degree, you a nurse, you can come over here and call myself dumb, because y'all stay telling people the wrong advice, telling people the wrong stuff to do. And I'm not just talking about vaginally, I'm talking about period in life. Like, don't do that, y'all. I don't understand why so much disrespect came out of me just telling what I used. Like, if that's not what you use, that's cool. If that's not the advice you would give, that's cool. But you won't call me stupid, you won't call me dumb, or you gonna get platinum from the block. Okay? Now this one got me. I had a lot of men under that video. Men don't want to smell no roses and peaches. We want the funk pot. Did they really just say that? Y'all want fishy and y'all want musk? Oh, a lot of people say that's like an aphrodisiac. That's like a bring it here. But I'm just like, no, I don't need you busting it open and you smelling like sardines. So I don't get that. But video coming soon on that. And the last comment that really bothered me, some guy was like, you trying to teach about hygiene and you got yeast in between your breasts. Now hold up, swallow them up. Bro, like, I get my cousins from the country on you. Don't play me, I'll find where you at, like, for real. Because the reason why I have markings on my chest, prime example, I just came from, I'm doing laser tattoo removal, and that's the part that's really bothering me about this process. Is it's the discoloration this is causing, the scars it's causing, and I'm kind of very insecure about that because my breasts are always out. It's bruising me all up in here, all here, and all under, but that's part of the process. So I just came today. It's just conveniently I'm talking about that today. But yeah, so came from there today. Yeah, so I'm just like, man, you freaking tried it, bro. I'm bruised and I be trying to cover that up. Sometimes I actually put foundation on it and stuff, but you know, it's always somebody that's gonna take it or so. Yeah, but that's all the 10 things I wanted to address. The little 10 negative comments do not compare to like how many women I helped and how you guys helped me, because you guys are the one that told me about these and it was right on time, honey. So yeah, I do have 2 more feminine hygiene videos coming up. You guys are gonna love these. I'm gonna space them out though. We don't want to just keep talking about vaginas all the time, but if that's what y'all want, that's what y'all want. So don't forget to check out NutriBlast. Love them. I hope that the tips in any of my videos or the comments from any of those videos helped you guys out. That's what I'm here for. That was the point of it. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video.